Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group A, RCS 11048, and today we are going to present about our system, which is Coffee Bean Management System. First of all, my name is Nur Aisha Amira binti Salihuddin. My role in our team is as team leader.
My name is Shazana binti Shani and my role is as a project manager.
My name is Nurul Hanis Iliani binti Anas. My role is as quality manager.
My name is Alia Idina binti Muhammad Salini. My role is programmer 1.
My name is Norfika Shalina binti Muhammad Zaidi. My role is as programmer 2.
My name is Nur Takifah binti Nordin. My role is as configuration manager.
My name is Muhammad Amar Hakim bin Bahasam. My role is as head of development.
Now I will talk about our organization background. The Coffee Bean Management System aims to make it easier for our customer to reward themselves in our beautiful heavenly dreams. Our organization is located at Lloyd A40, A50 and A60 ground floor, Giant Stadium Shah Alam, Selangor Darul Ehsan, Selangor, Malaysia. In view of fact that customer can place their order in any time of day and night during our work time that is most convenient for them without having to worry about traffic jam and business hour or not. Wait. Yep. Our team has decided to propose a computerized system that enables the customer to place their order at any time of the day and night without having to worry about traffic jam. Therefore, online purchase becomes more accessible because of no more stressful queue and more safety on this pandemic of COVID-19. Besides, our system also be able to display type of coffee and other food with prices and also be able to enter order information with total cost. Furthermore, the admin of our store can make any changes or edit the details of any information. The Coffee Bean Management System is the main specific term name of the system that will be managed by the coffee order subsystem. The coffee order subsystem equipment contains of a coffee shop processor, coffee data computer, software and the staff control on the shop component. Next, this is our organizational chart. We have project manager, team leader, head of development, configuration manager, quality manager, programmer 1 and programmer 2. Thank you.
Next is problem statement. There are 4 points of problem statement. First, our system has several limitations, which is it will not operate or be accessed without a connection because it is web-based system. Besides, our user needs to sign up for the system to access it, and only manager with authority can make data update and deletion. Secondly, one of most commonly experienced risk is scope creep. It happens when project client or other stakeholders add new requirement after the project implementation has begun. Thirdly, our system is associated with technology, so IT programmers need new people training as well as software procurement. Technological also will lead to delays and project failure. Lastly, for the sky high and unsuccessful project completion will affect financial problem. Thank you.
Next, for project objective we have 5 points. Firstly, to provide a platform for end user to explore different types of coffee before actually purchasing them. User can find and view various of menu that they want easily. Secondly, to increase the number of end user to the Coffee Bean website to explore different type of coffee by optimizing our website listing and developing target social media campaign. Thirdly, to manage and store the database in online platform easily. Manager can know total stock in the inventory management that help to produce report by using online cloud system. Fourth, Coffee Bean management will achieve the number of end users of the Coffee Bean website by 200 by staying focused on targeted social media campaign and working hard on proving our website is the greatest platform to explore and purchase the different type of coffee. And lastly, to grow the number of end users of the Coffee Bean website by 200 and creating targeted social media campaign for four social media platforms, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
For our project scopes, the system is developed for cafe and or restaurant that require this system in their management to organize and notice the online order easier by end user, and the customer can place their order at any time of the day and night during employees' work time, which is the most convenient for them without having to worry about the danger of COVID in order to create a safe working environment. With using this system, the manager of the cafe can operate the inventory management that increase security and productivity that will make them easier. To achieve this, our system shall be able to display types of foods and with price and be able to enter order information with a total cost. It requires user to insert and enter their personal information for sign up to make an order without having to worry because their data is protected that only can be accessed by the managers. By enable the login feature, we create a safe and established system that we secure the security of the user's data. Our system feature that will not be included is provide dine-in service to the customer.
Okay, next is management process. We have here is the Coffee Bean management system. So this is project schedule. We have software development plan, software requirement specification, software design documentation, software testing and compile report, and final presentation. So for the SDP, we have done it to week 1 to week 4. So for SRS, we have week 5 to week 8. And software design documentation, week 9 to week 12. So for the software testing, we have done it to week 12 to week 13. And for the compile report and final presentation, week 13 and week 14. Next, I will give it to next presenter.
This is our project's budgets. Our budgets are consist of hardware costs, software costs, salary and wages, and other expenses. For hardware costs, the total is 25,304. For software costs, the total is 10,066. Salary and wages, the total is 381. And other expenses, the total is 1,806. So for the grand total, it costs us 37,557 ringgit Malaysia.
I will talk about the module or function about our system. In Coffee Bean system, we use PHP and MySQL database. In this project, any person can order food online. It has two modules, manager and user. For manager module, the first is food category. In this section, admin can manage the food category such as add, delete, and update. Second is orders. In this section, manager can view the food order details and they have also the right to change order status according to status. The last is reports. In this section, admin can view order details, order counts, and sale reports according to dates. For user module, the first is register. Users need to sign up to make an order. Next is payment. User can make payment using pay online or cash on delivery. Next is cart. In this section, User can add the food which he or she wants to order and delete the already added food items. Next is food menu. In this section, user can view which food is available in the restaurant. Lastly is contact us. Here, customer can fill up the form if they have any questions or any other inquiry. Alright. I will also talk about the list of input data. First is customer. The function is registration or new form. If the user is new to this website, they can register an account by entering all the information needed, such as first name, last name, email address, and password. Second is customer. The function is login or authenticated. If customer already own an account, they can log in to their account to make order anytime. Third is customer again, and the function is add new records or retrieve records from other system. Before proceeding with payment, customers can add and review all the items that they want to purchase. And the fourth one is customer, and the function is make the payment. Customer will get to choose the payment method before they proceed. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
The next one is manager. Their function is update the menu. Menus for every product can be updated from time to time. Next is customer. Customer can choose payment method, either online payment or cash on delivery COD. And the last one is manager. They can update the system. So admin is responsible for the system and will be the one who interacts with the system.
Next is process involved in this system. It will help user view our menu more easily and efficiently. It's more trouble-free. Payment also more straightforward and faster. User can give feedback or any complaints. User also can register to order and manager can delete and edit. Lastly, it saves users time and the system will be up to date. Now I will explain list of output data. For the customer, the function is preview list. They can use the website, they can review list of product that they can choose to purchase. Next customer, they can order number. As customer can see their order number. After ordering from the website, by this customer can see their order information and order status. Thirdly, admin view the order details. After customer make order, the manager can see all the details to process with making food. Lastly, admin, they can random generated result in searching, search customer order. Thank you.
This is our context diagram. There are three entities. The first one is customer. Customer submit order and payment, receive status message and invoice. The second one is manager. Manager are who receive inventory records. And the last one is cafe. They receive order and install request, submits payment confirmation.
Next, I will explain about diagram 0. Diagram 0 is intended to provide an overview of the system as a single level process with its relationship to external entities. The process included in the diagram 0 are register account, user login, place order, make payment, receive order, confirm payment, get requested in stock, receive status message, receive invoice, receive inventory reports. Next I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
This is our entity relationship diagram. Shows the system entity relationship in each entity and their supposed function in each relationship. Each entity, which is customer, manager, order, restaurant, food and contact, contains primary key and unique keys. The system is used to store and retrieve information and other activities. The system is built to have an easier way to save information to the database and secure the information as well. Next, I will pass to the next person.
This is our Coffee Bean website. We have the main page here. So this is our home, about our teams, contact us, sign up for the user and manager. We have user login and also manager login. So if the customer want to order, they can click here, order now. So it will go to this page. So if the customer is new here, they can click here to create new account. So if the customer already have an account, they can click here and put their username and password. The customer also can show their password to see if it's correct or not. So I click the submit and it will show to this page. Beside the coffee, we also sell another foods also. So let's add to the cart. And it show the food name, quantity, price detail, order total and action. So this is all the total foods. So if the customer do not want fish and chip, they can click here to remove the foods. So the food has been removed. So if the customer want to continue shopping, they can click here. So add to the cart. So if the customer did not want all the food, they can click the empty the cart. So can click order now. So I will go to the checkout. We have two payment options. We have pay online and cash on delivery. So I choose cash on delivery and it will show order placed successfully and your order number. So back. So I click the checkout and pay online. So I put my card number. So I can click the pay now and your order number is here. So this is for all for the customer website page. So I click the log out and I put the manager login. Same as the customer, they can create new account. So I click the submit. This is for the manager control panel. This is for the manager to manage their food and order. So we have here my restaurant, view food items, add food item, edit food item, delete food item and view order details. So for the my restaurant, for the new manager, they can put their restaurant here. So this is for the view food item. They can view their foods here and they can search their foods item also. So for the add food item, we can add foods. So let's say put the description and so I click add foods. So the task has been added successfully. So for the edit, let's say I want to edit the latte. So I click the update and the data is been updated successfully. So if I want to delete this food, I will click the delete button. So the food has been deleted. So this is for the view order details. So this is all the food that the customers order. So we have the customer's name, the customer's username here. So the order dates also. So let's say I click the logout button and I put my name. So I put the password again. So it will update the food here, the latte. And for the contact us, we can put anything we want. And the message. I think that's all from our groups. Thank you.